to use LinkedIn to find your dream jobs. Hi, my name is Gary Huang, a public speaking coach and business consultant. Strategy number 4. It's do you know that in LinkedIn that you can do the auto responder for the LinkedIn inbox? This is only for the premium features only, meaning that you have to pay the pay members in LinkedIn. So what this want to do is like you can set up an auto responder for your LinkedIn inbox. Whenever someone actually send you the email or connect with you or message you, they will get an auto reply. Just like in your the regular email inbox, when someone send it to you, you can put on like our office that can respond. Similar idea in LinkedIn, they can do as well. So in case you actually use that feature, if you're using the paid LinkedIn, you can use one to provide your elevator pitch for your job searching, or you can also provide some of the information in your auto respond. So for instance, if you're a job seeker, you can add your pitch, similar like the cover letter, similar style, and you can also provide your resume or portfolio, depends what kind of job you're looking for, and provide the link in the response. Keep it short and brief in the response, and then someone will send you email, they can automatically send it to them. If you are the business owner or entrepreneur that are looking for networking or looking for clients, you can also share your website or anything that's related to your business that you can share with the people. So I think that's a really good resource for you because it's available right there. Why not, right? Just use it. Let's do a little bit of recap before we conclude this video. So in this video, we talk about 4 strategies for your job searching with the LinkedIn. Number 1 is how to use network with your potential hiring companies. Number 2 is get some visibility from the company that you want to get in. And number 3 is content posting tips that don't post anything that you like. Make sure it's professional related. Number 4 is using the autoresponder for LinkedIn inbox. If you are using the premium only features, all those tips can be super helpful and you can use it right away. In conclusions, LinkedIn is a popular platform for the purpose of business networking, job searching, and looking for prospects. So I would encourage you try to slot in some time and make sure that you use LinkedIn for your any purpose, for work searching, for networking, anything. Let me know if any questions, if you need help, let me know. Best luck with job searching. If you like this video, make sure that you like and subscribe it. I will see you in next video. Thank you.